Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just making a video on my Coredy R750 robot hoover. Here we have the water tray that comes with it. You put the water inside here, and this is the mop. It comes with two of these, and you attach them, and they basically go around. You'd put this on the bottom of here. Okay, I've taken this off for you to show you that here's the filter inside. And another filter. Oh, this looks like this needs changing. So, yes, you open this up. So this needs throwing away. And then this is the brush. The brush, they give you this in order to, and this sharp edge to cut hairs or things out once you take this out. Let's lift this up. So this needs cleaning. We'll use the brush to do that. Here are the additional brushes. They come with 4 of these spinning brushes. These also are probably due for changing. You can get replacement parts online. And the power off and on button. All right, let's watch it in motion. So there it goes. Whilst that's running around cleaning up, this is what the app looks like on your phone. Not sure if you can see that. So here's the app. This is what it looks like. You have auto and so on, and there he's there cleaning away. So this is the app. You can press play. You can actually control it like a remote control car. Left, right, forward, back, and so on. And it has like edge clean, where you can get it to clean the edges of the room. You can get it to do auto. Tell it it's in a small room. Spot clean. It just does like a circle of a particular very dirty area. Home, it will go back to base. So you also have the same features on the remote control as well. The remote control comes with it. And yes, it's about £237 on Amazon at the moment. I paid about £200 for it. So the price does go up and down on Amazon. It's a great tool for saving you time if you have a busy job. It can help you with hoovering and mopping. The mopping feature is okay. I don't think it's amazing. Yeah, it will mop a certain area and so on. You put water in it. It's not going to get hard stains out of the floor, but it's going to sterilize your floor because you put bleach in the container. But you can put a bit of bleach in the container. I don't know if the manufacturer recommend that, but I put some bleach in the container with water and let it do its work on the floor. So it's sterilizing the floor for me. So it crashes a little bit now and then. It comes with a magnetic strip that you can roll out. I haven't displayed it because I don't think it's even worth the time, because I've tried it to sort of section off an area and it still crosses over it or knocks it over. Alright, thank you for your time. I hope this video has helped you. Until next time, bye bye bye.